Lists are one of Python's superpowers, but what if you want to send a whole list to a function and use it smartly? Stick with me, and in minutes you will master how to pass, use, and manipulate lists inside functions like a pro. In real-world Python projects, from data science to game development, passing a list to a function is super common. Whether you are filtering data, summing numbers, or processing user input, knowing how to pass and handle lists properly will save you time and lines of code. Let's start by creating a basic function that takes a list and prints each item. Define show items. Inside the bracket, enter my list. For item in my list, print item. Define show items inside the bracket my list means we are creating a function named show items that expects a list. Inside the function, we loop through the list using a for loop and prints each item. Save and run. Ctrl plus S for save. Shift plus F10 for run. Not getting anything. This is a simple yet powerful pattern. Take a list, loop through it, and do something with each element. Now let's create a list and call the function. Roots equal, inside the square bracket enter apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. Show items, inside the bracket enter fruits. We define a list fruits with 3 elements. Then we pass it to show items like this. Save and run. We got apple, banana, cherry. This list travels into the function, gets processed at home. You get the output line by line. But here is something every beginner must know. If you modify a list inside a function, it changes the original list too. Let me show you. Define add item, inside the bracket enter my list. My list dot append inside the bracket, enter dragon fruit. Fruits equal inside the square bracket, enter apple, comma, banana. Add item inside the bracket, pass fruits. Print fruits. My list dot append adds dragon fruit to the list, and yes, the original fruits list is now changed. Save and run. We got apple, banana, dragon fruit. Lists are mutable. That means they are passed by reference. Whatever you do inside the function affects the original list unless you make a copy. If you want to avoid changing the original list, pass a copy instead. Define safe add item inside the bracket, enter my list. My list dot append inside the bracket, enter grape. Return my list. Original equal inside the square bracket, enter apple, comma, banana. New list equal safe add item inside the bracket, pass original, then inside the square bracket, enter colon. Print original colon, comma, pass original. Print new colon, comma, pass new list. We use slicing original to pass a copy. Now the function modifies the copy, not the original. Save and run. We got original is apple, comma, banana, and new is apple, banana, and grape. This is cleaner and safer. Your original list stays untouched. Quick recap. Here's what you learned. How to pass a list to a function. How to use it inside with loops. How changes affect the original. and how to avoid side effects by copying. Now you have unlocked one of Python's most powerful tools. If this video created your doubts, smash that like button and share it with your Python buddies, and subscribe for more zero flop high value Python content.